Hi children, welcome to MST classes. Now let us discuss about HCF and LCM. HCF is for highest common factor and LCM is lowest common factor. Now let us discuss about definitions of HCF and LCM. Here children, HCF, product of smallest power of each common prime factors in the numbers. So let us see a demo of, for example, method by using a method called prime factorization method. Let us take two examples, 12 and 18. Their factors as 2 into 2 into 3, 2 square into 3 power 1, and 18 is 2 into 3 into 3, that is 2 power 1 into 3 square. Now to find HCF, as I said, smallest power of each common factor we have to consider product of those two. So now among 12 and 18, 2 power 2 and 2 power 1, what is the smallest one? 2 power 1. And among 3 power 1 and 3 square, 3 power 1 is smaller. So 2 power 1 into 3 power 1 will give 6 as HCF. When it comes to LCM, same product of the greatest power of each prime factors of the numbers. So here in this case you take LCM of 12 and 18. In that case, among 2 square and 2 power 1, 2 square is more greatest power, and among 3 power 1 and 3 square, 3 square is greatest power. So you observe greatest power of each common factor you have to consider. Therefore 2 square into 3 square will give you 36 as LCM. And HCF of 12 18, if you consider product of HCF and LCM of any two numbers, for example 12 18, that is 6 into 36, we know 216. When you try to multiply those two numbers, you will get 12 into 18 as 216 itself. Therefore we can say that LCM of A comma B into HCF of A comma B will give us product of the two numbers A into B. Now this is about HCF and LCM, normal prime factorization method. Now let us know about rational numbers and their decimal forms. Among them, terminating decimal form of same rational numbers. Now let us consider 0.375, 1.04, 0.0875. According to their places, digits after points, we have written them in P by Q form, 375 by 10 cube and so on. If you try to prime factorize this 375, we get 3 into 5 cube and 10 cube as 2 cube into 5 cube. When you cancel both of them, at last 3 by 8 remains. This 3 by 8 is known as simplest form of 0.375, simplest form of rational number. So again, if we consider 104 by 10 square also similar way, that will also be 26 by 25 will be the simplest rational form of the decimal number. And when you try to observe here, you observe 10 cube, 10 square, 10 to the power 4, 2 square, 5 square, 2 cube, 5 cube. It means therefore the only prime factors of 10 are 2 and 5, and those will be in the denominators if you try to if you consider any terminating decimals. So terminating decimals will have 2 and 5 in their denominators as factors. Thank you.